I believe this is the 2019 ATC Fashion Book.
Yes.
Last year we introduced you to the ATC Fashion Book for 2020. The 2021 version is well underway, but I'd like to take this opportunity to run you through how we intend this book to be used. The Fashion Book contains many different process formulations with some concept colours. All colours can be changed to suit any customer demands. Each piece of leather has been made in the ATC laboratories with ATC products, and at the back of the book a USB stick contains all the formulations necessary to make each sample. Let's take a look at one particular sample and see how that formulation is made. Today we're going to take a look at the formulation for Celeste and see how we can make this in the factory. Over to you, Matthew.
Good morning, Julian. Today we will apply some oil, pull-up oil for corrected grain calf. Buffing paper 400 is a very slight buffing, and we will apply by roller coat. So the grain is tight and there is not too much loose. We put the conveyor without any heating because the oil needs to go inside the leather. Today we will apply the oil mix 50-50 with water. This oil is synthetic oil mixed with paraffin. $20 grams. That's how to make the Celeste leather from the Fashion Book. It's a different color to the one in the book, but the process is the same. A beautiful article for leather goods or sofa leather. Thank you very much.